going on, everybody? I hope y'all having a great day, man. Today is Friday, and let's just get right into it, guys. So I made a video yesterday of my two $25,000 evals. I was on the 5th day. I passed them perfect. Well, lo and behold, I screwed up once again on Friday. I was copy trading them, and I blew both $25,000 Pro accounts, which you can see they're no longer in here. I do have a 50 eval uploaded. I did trade and made 150 a little while ago. You can see here where I bought and sold. So I made 150 there. So what happened this morning on the two Pro accounts? Basically, I did what I always tell myself not to do. I traded the Asia session, which I always do horrible on the Asia session, and then I traded a little bit of pre-market. I lost a little bit. I gained a little bit. I think I gained back $300 before the New York session opened. And then once the New York session opened, man, I was mentally not there. Plus, it's Friday. I already have a stigma against Fridays. Mondays and Fridays are always like bad trading days. So maybe possibly I just won't trade Mondays and Fridays anymore. I might put that into my rule book along with the other rules that sometimes I don't follow myself. Don't trade Asia session. Don't trade pre-market unless it's a micro or two. I was going, I guess, heavy. I was going with 2 positions, 2 full NQs, plus I already had shorts with micros in. I had like 4 micros running, so 2 on each account. I was up on the micros, but then, the market opened and it kind of went back up. I was honestly expecting a more of a fall than what it did, but it is what it is. It's another learning lesson. Screwed myself. But hey, I hate to say that it happens a lot, but I mean, in the way I look at it is, if you're getting payouts, which my last payout was like a week and a half ago, so I'm not too horrified. I guess that's the right word. Like I'm not discouraged because I got a payout last like 8 days ago. So it is what it is. Just got to start new with a new eval. Let's see if I can make one more trade. Now I do need to make $3,000 in 5 days with this account. So if you divide 3,000 into 5, you're looking at $650 a day. But being today is Friday, I don't think I'm gonna hit the $650. I would need another $500. But I'm just gonna make one more play. I'm gonna go ahead and look and see where we're at. Let's go look here on TradingView. So we do have a supply printed on the 5-minute. We did come up to London's highs. We didn't quite meet the true day open, which is up here at 428, but I'm thinking since we did hit the top of London's liquidity, plus we have a supply print here and we have demand down here, I'm thinking it's going to fall like I initially predicted before the New York session even opened. Let's go to a 15-minute candle, see if we have any supplies or demands in this area, which we have nothing here. Let's go to a 30-minute and see. Alright, so we're in supply on a 30 from London. So I'm going to go ahead and most probably take a short, guys. I think a short's a good guesstimation. Let me go to the 1 hour and just take a peek. Okay, we had a supply print up there. Of course, that was right before Asia opened. Alright. So on the 1-minute candle, the price looks like it's being a little bit held up by the VWAP. We do have supply in this area. Let's go to a 5-minute candle. 5-minute, it bounced off the VWAP here. So that's slightly bullish. This purple line I have up here is the true day open. Same thing, 15-minute candle, the price fell to the VWAP and used it as a trampoline, of course. Alright, so the 15-minute candle is turning red. And we have a brand new 30-minute, which is red. So I'm going to go down to the 1-minute chart, the 1-minute candles. I'm going to place a short here with 4 full positions. Hopefully can't squeeze out a few dollars. Let me get up here close on the price, so if it does want to slam down, I can trail it with a limit buy. Alright, so I'm up 240. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. Hey, maybe I might luck up and get the 650. Oh, nope. Alright. So, that's my second play on this eval. So 315 minus the 45 commissions, trade fees, so 270 on the dot. As you can see, oh, okay, so well, it was 2 plays. I think it just bought them at different price levels. So 100% winners so far. Let me try one more. I know that's famous last words, huh? Let me try one more. Here we go. Push. Push. Let me put a buy down here. There we go. There we go. We got a little bit of movement to the downside. Push a little more so I can put my buy right here. Yep, just like that. Really good entry. I wasn't really in drawdown too much. There we go. Ooh, ooh, go, go, go. All the way, baby. Push it. Push it. All right, 410. I'm happy with 410 on the day, guys. And that looked like a really good exit right there because we may not fall below the VWAP. Maybe we might in about an hour or two, but who knows? I'm happy on the day on this eval. I'm not happy about the 2 pro accounts that I blew. But you take some and you give some, guys. Well, that's going to conclude this video, man. I hope everybody has a great weekend. If you watched all the way through the video, I appreciate it very much. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the algorithms, and I appreciate it very, very much, guys. I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will pick back up on Monday. Like I said earlier, Mondays and Fridays are kind of horrible for me, as you can tell. So Monday, I might just trade 1 or 2 plays with one full-size NQ instead of doing 4, because that was gambling more or less. Especially the max positions is 6 on these 50,000 accounts. So, but I kind of really wanted a decent head start going into Monday. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will talk to y'all later, man. Safe trading, and be safe out there, guys. Peace.